Hey there, Quantum Cactus Explorers! Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of the crypto universe. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of Starknet Airdrop. Let's go! First things first, you'll need a Starknet-compatible wallet. We're big fans of Argent X around here, but Bravos is another fantastic option. Here's a crucial tip. Safeguard your seed phrase like it's treasure. And remember, it's for your eyes only. Now, let's bridge some ETH. For beginners, the official bridge is your best bet. We've been there, done that, so today we're using Orbiter Finance. This not only gets the job done, but also helps us accumulate points on their platform. All the links you need are right in the video description. But first,
hit like it, subscribe for a non-stop content ride.
now let's head over to flexing.gg. Here, your imagination is the limit. I'm minting my face today. What will you mint? Fill in the details, confirm the transaction, and voila, you're an NFT creator. Next on our agenda is Dmail. If you're not in the loop yet, Dmail is revolutionizing how we send emails on the blockchain. Don't have an account? No sweat. Click the link in the description, sign up, and you're set. It's super easy. Once you're in, start sending emails across networks and watch your points grow. And hey, leave your Dmail in the comments. I'll send you some mails to help you get started. Moving on, let's solidify our presence in the Starknet universe by getting a Starknet identity. Navigate to the Starknet ID website, hit the Domains tab, and choose your identity. Set your parameters, confirm the transaction, and you're officially part of the Starknet family. It's time to move on to the next phase, but first, let me tell you a little bit about Starknet. So, what's the buzz about Starknet? Starknet is a game changer in the blockchain world, addressing a critical challenge known as the blockchain trilemma. This trilemma involves balancing three core attributes: security, decentralization, and scalability. Ethereum, as we know, prioritizes security and decentralization, but this comes at the cost of scalability. With more users, Ethereum faces slower transactions and higher gas prices, which can be a roadblock to its widespread adoption. Enter Starknet. Starknet is a validity rollup that brings massive scalability to Ethereum without compromising its security and decentralization. How does it do this? By shifting transaction processing off the Ethereum mainnet, off-chain, while keeping a summary of these transactions on-chain. Transactions are grouped into batches, processed off-chain, and then summarized into a single on-chain transaction. This approach significantly speeds up transactions and reduces costs. But here's the kicker. Starknet ensures the integrity of these off-chain transactions using something called Stark proofs, scalable, transparent argument of knowledge proofs. These are advanced cryptographic tools that verify the correctness of computations without having to re-execute them. Starknet then transmits only the essential information about the block and the proof back to Ethereum, where it's verified with minimal computational effort. So, in a nutshell, Starknet is revolutionizing the way Ethereum scales, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient, all while maintaining the network's core principles of security and decentralization. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap into the future of blockchain technology. Alright, back to business. It's time to dive into the world of dApps. Our first stop is 10K a swap. Here's what you do. Make a swap, then add some liquidity. Pro tip, look for pools with solid liquidity like the USDC ETH pair. This not only helps you understand the mechanics, but also gets you involved in the ecosystem. Keep the momentum going by visiting MISWAP and JediSwap, the largest DEX on Starknet. The process is the same. Make a swap, add liquidity. It's all about getting hands-on experience. And don't forget, there's a whole world of DEX out there like Avnu and ShitSwap. You'll find all the links you need in the description below. We're nearing the end of our journey, but there's one more critical stop. zkLend, a leading DeFi lending platform. Here, you'll add liquidity, borrow, and repay loans. It's a fantastic way to understand the lending side of DeFi and see how it all comes together. Last but not least, let's take a peek at how your wallet is performing on Starknet. Head over to Rhino Finance, find the Tracker tab, punch in your wallet address, and get a comprehensive view of your Starknet activities. And that's a wrap on our Starknet airdrop adventure. You've just leveled up in the crypto world. Remember, all the resources you need are in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, share it with your crypto buddies, and stay tuned for more. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and as always, stay curious in the vast world of blockchain.